All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of my last and final 1957 Topps original cards, 5 card set. This is number 3. We'll check the time May 6th at 7:05 p.m. I'm going to go over to, we'll call it the raffle and type live. And we have May 6th at 7:05 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Corey. Spot 1 is your winner. So Corey, please get with me to let me know if you want me to open it Tuesday night or ship it to you sealed. That's your choice. There's our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, May 6th at 7:05 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.